So students, you can understand that there are different bases of classification like geographical classification, chronological qualification, qualitative and quantitative qualification. So first of all, I am going to explain you geographical classification. Geographical classification, the classification is based on the geographical or locational differences of the data. Means जब भी आप किसी चीज को क्लासिफाई करते हैं अकॉर्डिंग टू द क्लास, that is according to the geographical boundaries of the particular region or state or the country, it is known as geographical classification. Suppose if you are now presenting the different number of forms in different states, like this is place and this is firms. So in Haryana, Punjab and Delhi, these are the number of places and these are the forms. They are 30, 20 and this 25. So you are presenting this data in according to, you are classifying this according to the geographical classification, because these are the states, that these are the places and these are the number of firms. Suppose if you are presenting it with the help of graph, so there are two axes, x and y. In x axis you are plotting the firms, and in the y axis you are plotting the place. Or either you can plot places in the x-axis or number of firms in y-axis. So suppose these are number of firms like 5, 10, 15, 20, 25 and 30. And these are states like Haryana, Punjab and Delhi. So in Haryana you have seen that there are 30 firms are there. So you are making graph of Haryana, that is these are the number of firms in Haryana. And in Punjab there are 20 firms are there. So Punjab you are presenting like this. These are the number of firms in Punjab. And Delhi there are 25 firms are there. So you are plotting firms in Delhi. There are 25 firms in Delhi. So this type of classification is known as geographical classification. Means जब आप किसी भी चीज को classify करते हैं according to place, according to area, according to state, according to the country, according to different regions, it is known as geographical classification. Next type of classification is chronological. Chronological classification, this classification is according to time. या अल्फाबेटिकली भी हो सकता है. So the classification is according to time is known as chronological classification. Suppose you are presenting chronological classification, so you are classifying this like you are making two columns. First is for the time and another is for the sales. Suppose in different years you are giving, just like in 1920, 1930 and 1940. The number of sales in 1920 is 100 and in 1930 is 150 and 1940 is 120. So these are the number of sales. This much sales will be in 1920. The firms is selling this 100 tons, and this 1930 that 150, and the sales percentage is 1940 is 120. So this also again you can present according by graph also. So whenever you are presenting your data in according to the time, according to the number of years, according to the days, according to the week, it is known as chronological classification. Or either if we are presenting alphabetically also, it is known as chronological classification. The next type of classification is qualitative and quantitative classification. Third is qualitative classification. This classification is according to the basis of qualities or attributes. This classification is according to qualities or attributes. So we are classifying them according to the qualities or attributes of the person, like, and this is of two types, like simple classification and manifold classification. Simple classification, when you are presenting the data in simple, these are not having much qualities, like you are presenting the data according to male or female, गर्ल्स और बॉयज और हाइट और वेट एक्सेट्रा, तो इसमें बहुत सिंपल क्लासिफिकेशन, इसमें ज़्यादा डिटेल क्लासिफिकेशन नहीं है. बट मैनीफोल्ड क्लासिफिकेशन, whenever you are presenting the data, like if you are presenting the 200 workers in a particular factory, so the workers be according to educated or not uneducated, literate or illiterate. एंड इसमें भी आप कर सकते हैं स्किल्ड और अनस्किल्ड. सो जब डेटा में क्लासिफिकेशन में, जब किसी भी डेटा में बहुत तरह की क्वालिटीज हो, बहुत तरह की कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स हो, तो वो कहलाता है मैनीफोल्ड क्लासिफिकेशन. एंड जब डेटा में ज़्यादा क्लासिफिकेशन ना हो, ज़्यादा कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स ना हो, दैट इज मेल और फीमेल, और आइदर वी कैन प्रेजेंटिंग सिंपली, सो इट इज नोन एज सिंपल क्लासिफिकेशन. So this classification is known as qualitative classification. Means according to quality you are presenting your data, you are dividing your data into classes or groups. Next type of classification is quantitative classification. This classification is according to quantity. When you are presenting your classification according to quantity, it is known as quantitative classification. Just like you are presenting in numbers are there, percentage is there. So when you are presenting your classification according to quantity wise numerical form, it is known as quantitative classification. So student, there are different bases of classification. Like you can do the classification according to chronologically, according to geographical, according to qualitative, and according to quantitative classification. So this is classification of data, which when we are classifying your raw data into different classes and groups according to their characteristics of the particular data. So then the data will be more meaningful for our further analysis, or for finding the conclusions.